Bulletproof. Oh. All right. So what I see is a perfect long on the blue bar. Now here's why I say it's perfect. Okay. 2 minute 200 is below the VWAP. Your pink bar starts from the VWAP in the correct spot after the news spike. You say, okay, I like it, but there's a 9-point stop, a 10-point stop, 20-point stop. So you say, give me better than that. So what does Mrs. Market do? Well, because of the humbling motherly nature that she is, she gives you the perfect long twice.
Wink. No.
Right here. Look at this.
Why won't
That's 3R. Light it up. Oh, light it up. And it's a good morning to you. Here's the quagmire with that whole thing where you'd only be really light. First targets only. Watch this. If you go to the 15-minute. What? What? Wait. What? Soldier soul built a higher wall yesterday. Now you're gone. Said rise and fall. So 55 on the 15-minute is your over-under. Okay. And then VWAP. And 200 is 100 points above us. Now, we are narrow range. So we're going to use the Keltner channels and the 2-minute chart to be our guide rails. Okay? It's real close, though. Oh, it's 3 ticks. We need 4 ticks to get outside. Ooh, this will be a good example. All right, so now, do we go back up, or do we just continue to slide down into external liquidity? Here's our breaker block. Right. Why is it not showing it? It's okay. So it's saying back here is the breaker block. It's saying that this is still the breaker block. So we're on the top side of the breaker block. Here's another one. So they're saying it's because this would be the Head and Shoulders upside. Okay. That's fine. As long as I know what it's saying. All right, going to the 4-hour. It's like a ski jump. So negative, external liquidity down here. 51s to the 85s, 51s to the 85s. Light it up. Oh, light it up. You've got a huge inversion that's been inverted, re-inverted, verted, tapped out. This is the Tracy Lords of fair value gaps, shall we say. Rip. All right, so now we have a new one here. Bit the higher walls yesterday. Seduced by fame. Okay, 45.50. And 16. 50s and 16s. Excuse me, 45s and 16s. On the 4-hour fair value gap. Look, they've fair value gapped this thing to pieces. Look at this thing. So there's a good one right there. 64s to 74s. Inside the G spot. Look at it sell. Look at it sell. Look at it sell. Now, the reason that I'm not full blown bull or anything like that on this is the real reason is the momentum is actually to the downside. Okay, what I mean by that is when the 200 is like this on the 15 and the 200 is, where's it at on the 5? Why does it do that? That's the 2 minute. Okay, that's the 2 minute. So it's right there. Here's the 5 minute. They're coming together here. Look, we're coming into perfect narrow state, right? So those of you that understand the narrow state part, right? That homeboy teaches, right? We're waiting for the next move away from narrow state. 45s are the big number for us, fam. Okay. It's still showing another touch at the VWAP. We've got 18 minutes till the opening bell. Anything can happen here on the open, right? It's the first squiggle after a big move, after a big ignition. We have a sell bar. No, nope. Not today, Satan. Um, 56 hard over under on your 5 minutas. La, la, la. Now, is it plausible that a leg sweep on the 15-minute could work? Plausible. So what I'll do is I'll draw it. Could they rip this thing higher above 55? Sure. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's much better. All right, so now this little Michael Bublé here at the bottom, that's what we're looking for. Oh, that guy got smoked. All right, what we're waiting for on the larger time frames is for it to pick a direction. Right? I know it sounds like I'm being elusive with my decision. Um, yeah. All right, let's bring in. No. Volume profile. Whoa, look at yesterday's range. All right, there's our ranges right now. Bell-shaped curve, major distribution along here, right? Oops. So they'll have to move it. they'll have to do the same on the way back up if they're going to do it. Okay, if not, so it's something like that. Okay, because the volume on the bottom is a lot heavier than the obvious. Okay, that's too recent, right? Okay. Yeah, the Keltner thing is on. Let's see if it worked, right? What I gotta do is I gotta switch back. Foot sweep of pink worked perfectly on the 2-minute chart. I guess here's the deal. When they're backwards, right? When the VWAP, when they're backwards on the 5 and the 15 and the right side on the 2, you just got to be careful. But you got to take those chances. Smaller accounts would go into the micros. By my side. Mm-hmm. Tear me open, but don't forget to hit the like button for me, guys. That's the best way that we can get this stream out to people and into the view of other traders. We kick butt. My name is Reverend Wood. I go by Sage FT. This is the live trading desk. We are live. I do trade my PAs, and I will tell you when I'm in my eval accounts. You will see it on the screen. Okay? I do not hide shit. I have been trading the ES since 2010, end of 2009. I trade order flow and time in sales. What you're going to see on the chart is you're going to see these painted bars, which are representations of where I lost for years and years and years. And even as a winning trader, I went back and I looked at all my losing trades because that's the proper etiquette. And what I found was these are the bars that got me every time. Let's take a look. I see the market coming down. I see the market coming down. I see the market coming down. And as I see the market coming down, old me goes, oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, I'm going to wait. Oh, wait. Oh, I see the VWAP, but I'm supposed to wait. I see the VWAP, but I'm supposed to wait. Oh, no, no, no. I'm going to wait. Okay, now I'll short. Right here. Right? I'll short right here. Boom. Loss. Okay. So then if you look at my bars that way, does it make a lot more sense? Oh, okay. I'm not going to move. I'm not going to get stopped out. F you. I'm not going to get stopped out. I'm going to move my stop up, and I'm going to short again right here. F you. Okay. This is the golden French fry. This is the highest success rate that I have in context. I take a leg sweep of every trade, of every bar. There's always another entry, 2 ticks below where everyone would put their stop. I'm going to sweep their stop. And I'm going to average in. My stop is 1. My stop is 2R from entry. Now, this is the 15-minute chart, so don't look at it like that because that's a massive one. But if we go down to the 2-minute where I enter, okay, see how I have 100, which is the entry, 0, which is the second entry, and my stop is up here. All right. Now, would I take this trade? No, because look at that. That doesn't make any sense. That's a green bar that says sell on top of VWAP. That's a no in French. So you don't just take the bars in context. Excuse me. You don't just take the bars, you take them in context. Like, would you take this bar here long? Well, maybe. Okay, there's other things that have to come into play, like the CVD. What was the CVD doing? The CVD is the aggression or lack of to the bid or to the offer. Okay, so let me say that in a normal way. It is where the willing market participant, the market button participant, is willing to take the bid or the offering price. And it shows up net. So if you have 5 hits on the offer, which would be buys on one side and sell on the other, and you had 3 hits on the bid, you would have net plus 2. Okay? Does that make sense? That shows the aggression or the lack of aggression towards resting orders, aka limits, using market orders, aka aggression. Okay? Do you see how that's very valuable? I hope that helps. Now that I've stopped the recording, those of you that are watching this live, here you go. Ready? Let's go one step further. Okay, looking at the CVD. Okay, looking at the CVD, the way that we have to look at the CVD is I'm looking at this as the locals. Okay, now the locals don't always win. The locals are professional traders that you can't say that they're great at it. but they're good. They got capital behind them, right? They're the guys that are in the institutional pit. All right, so now let's say that price and the delta are running correctly, right? So that's why I call it locals order flow. All right. Now let's say that price starts to run on them. What do they have to do? Okay, they either have to increase their offering and absorb, or they have to capitulate. All right, so now that's how I look at this. So if you have what they think as the smart guy trading with it, and then all of a sudden the price goes directly against them, what happens? What happens when, so what I'm looking for is convergence and divergence. And, yes, okay. How did I get that on the wrong side? Just call my name because I hear you scream. All right, we're open. Let's lock in. Look, guys, locals get ran over. Just because they have a bunch of money behind them and they have a badge doesn't mean they know what the hell they're doing, right? The guys that know what they're doing, they work for Goldman Sachs and big companies like that, right? You could be an independent trader all you want. You just have to be able to lease the badge. All right, we got to buy. Why? Where's the? Wow, this is supposed to push. This is tough. I am not. I am chilling. You could really just could have swept the leg of pink, 5-minute pink though. Holy cow. Yeah, this is really supposed to go. But where do you get in? This is not my money. Who's patient enough to wait for it to be perfectly clear? So 15-minute does say be careful shorts. It really does. Even if we dip, be careful shorts. 2-minute would have just paid you dearly. Look at that. If you could stomach it, 2-minute would have just paid you very nicely. Very nicely. Bam, huh? Not me. Not my money. 5-minute says go. It's gone. I was just about to put a micro order in just because I want clarity on the 2-minute. It's at 51.50.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
700 at 60. Short of straw. Challenge liberty down by law. Stop is 40. I think I'm gonna get filled. I'm doing 2 micros because I don't want to mess with the volatility. Stop is 40. Add is 45.75.
Order submitted. Order
And I'm doing
submitted.
it in the micros. Oh,
Order filled. Order filled.
stops down. Free trade. Bam. 5 points. Out. You have a big sell. You have a big sell. Big sell. Starting on the 2. 48.25 starts. I got to sell 53.50. It did give me the stop out in the micros. Yes, it's going to be strong. It starts on the 2. We need it on the we need it on the 5. It'll be not now for the 5. Stay short. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's go. $36.25, boys and girls. $36.25. Stops down. Get them. I couldn't move my target in time, and I had a hell of a fill. So I'm cool. And it wouldn't have mattered because I'm about to hit my profit target for the day anyway. So I can't do much after that besides open up another eval. Yeah, when it gives you that discount and you see that, just hit it because your stop is going to be 60.25, right? It's a hard stop. Like we're wrong above there. All right, now watch 39.50. You got to be careful there. Hold for you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Now just chill. Behind you, hands are tied. You're being ostracized. I sure hope my wife's Valentine's present shows up today. All right, today is a mathematical geniusly anomaly. Once every so many 100 years. Yeah, 100 years. Today is 2/13/26. Let's go. What a mathematically sound day today, folks. Let's get it. Let's get it. Who enjoys that math? Let's go. Nice, Nick. It's a good morning to you, Mr. Roberto. All right, let that 5-minute capitulate, folks. So we got some business. Now, your 5-minute would have worked, but here's why we filtered it out. Here's why we filtered it out. Because the 20 is above, the 200 is above the VWAP. Look at it. Look at it. It all just makes sense. Look, let him trap. Let him trap. Because look at how perfect the top is there. Like Guile's hair on a sonic boom. All right. It says stay short. Be careful. NRX active. Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah. Marty. Happy reciprocation day, brother. Ah, math. Isn't it beautiful, guys and gals? Very trappy. Where's the spring? Is it on the bottom? We could be creating the spring for the bottom right now, right? Right, where it goes under 20 and then, right? You guys like that I added, that I made the 5 minute a lot bigger for you? I know some of you trade it. I know that most of the best traders in the world that are day traders that trade the S&P 500 E-minis trade the 5 minute chart. But Zach, he trades the 10 range. Deep inside. Copy that. I'm going to zoom the bottom one out then, my friend. Okay, and I'll use the top one. Cool. Because the bottom middle one is 2 minute with all the stuff on it. Boom, the bell tolls. All right, they're trying to accumulate. Let's see if they get smacked. Yeah, nice. Okay, don't forget we've got a free Discord. We got Joey over there just calling levels like no other. The brother from another mother calling levels like no other. Okay, watch your 15. That says watch it. Now, did we call this or did we call this? Guys, we called this. To the sky just before you die. It's the last time you will. Let's go, Landro. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Alpha. There you go. 1750 is a beautiful place. I only have another 5 points before I hit my daily target. So I'm just trying to be selective, right? Patience. Let's go, Alpha. All right, Team Green. All right, Alpha, you have to join Team Green. Team Green, let's spam some Stay Frosty for Alpha. Stay Frosty, fam. Okay, we're about to get it. We're about to get a sell signal on the 5 minute as well. Here it comes, Bohica. 2 minutes. Oh boy, give me a better price than this because the stop is astronomical. All right, we're outside narrow range. Let's go. All right. So now you see that the indicator turned red. We are no longer inside the narrowest range the last 7 days. Okay, so where is Martin? Okay. Whoosh. Whoosh. They said 5 minute. I don't think so, asshole. Ooh. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Your delta's creeping. Ooh, they bottom. They bottom. They bottom. They own them. Oh, that just screws everything up for us. 20 seconds on the 15 and the 5. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Shorts have a decision to make here. Because the risk of this going down is very high because of the type of bar that it is on the 15 minute. But let's see how this turns. Oh. Ooh. It didn't work. Did it break? Okay, so I can hide the label, but I can't. It didn't turn them off. We'll fix it. We'll get it working. Copy that. Yeah, so it's on there. It's just not working. And my Keltners are off. Here, I'll even remove. Wow. Okay. Show me some. All right. Now here's the deal. We've got a quagmire on the 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute completely, right? Completely. Because right now, the 5 minute VWAP is turned down under the 200 and we're above that price level. Okay. They have a monster offer at 60 still. $690 contracts still just marinating down there. Wow, do they make it through this? I mean, that's a tall order, guys and ladies. You know what I mean. I don't need to correct myself. This isn't PC school. It's just YouTube. Okay, he bought all of them at 60. After the break. Oh, I see. Okay, perfect. No. That makes sense. Oh, I like that. Okay. Go on. I'm listening. Did you know that Control I opens up your indicators? Okay, I like that. That makes sense. Oh, holy shit. Let's go. All right, if you'd like to go on a quest and you'd like to earn the Keltners that disappear when we go outside of narrow range, contact at sageft.com and we'll give you the quest details. We have several people that have passed the quest, and they are ripping and roaring in their choice of process. Okay, we got to watch the meridian of that external liquidity still. Look at how they tapped it and said, not today, buddy. He sold all you can eat at the meridian. So close, no matter how far. That's the Excalibur, guys. That thing is stuck in stone. Go ahead. Go ahead. That 15-minute bar is the Excalibur. Hello. Hi. My name is 700 at 60 again. Be much more from the heart. All right, guys, if you're trading this, I wish you Godspeed. I'm going to take a walk because this is going to give me anxiety. This is going to make me puke. Look, I live every tick of this. Okay. I want you to understand that the last 37,000 contracts that just traded, that was brutal. My nervous system is shot. I'm going to take a walk until this cools out, and then I'm going to make my money. You guys can hang with Mr. Cooper or not. It's your choice. I'm going to make my money when this is my money. This is not my money. Okay? This is quants taking quarters. Please, folks, for the love of your own money, look at the 15-minute chart. I'm going to leave that up so none of you guys try to scalp my business, my small time frame. I'm going to go for a walk.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Do the same. Don't try to
Why
guess on
won't
this
you
stuff. I
listen to
promise
me?
you, over 10,000 trades, it doesn't work like you think it does. On black and white. Folks, we made the easy money. You saw that, right? You see Alpha leave? We took the golden French fry. Yeah. I'll be back. I'm going to go take a walk. Now the hard money starts. Now the hard money starts. You've been warned. Now the hard money starts. Everybody just relax. I'm going to show you the trades. And they'll make perfect sense. They'll look perfectly normal. If you're new, if you're brand new, okay, go to the website, sageft.com, and just download the game plan. It's free. We might ask you for your email, but hey, if we can't have your email, we might not want to do business, right? So go get the game plan. Here's the link. I'm going to take a walk. Let's let this thing settle down, right? What is more beautiful than walking along the Deschutes River at 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning as the sun's coming up? I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Come on. Look at the bars. Look at the candles. What do you... Oh, it's going to short. It's going to go long. You're going to get shit on. Real talk. Now, there's a 2-minute sell signal with a 49-point stop. Who's going short? Mr. Quentin, there's the winner of the 1 hour with Sage. I'm going on a walk, guys. I'll be back in 12 minutes. 12 minutes is when this is going to look perfect. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. we go. All right, we're at the top of the range now. Elijah, when I hit that button, does it flatten? Take to my grave. This is whack, guys. This is where people get destroyed because we've removed the Keltners, right? So people are like, oh, the next move, the next move. So they're buying and buying the top, buying the top, selling the bottom. So wait.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No. Why won't you listen to me?
At VPOC. VPOC's high and tight. Skew right. Tight range, wide range, tight range. Imagine being long because you thought it was going to smack upwards, right? Ouch. This is the only game in the world where you get paid to wait. Who can get paid to wait? Type a Y in the chat if you can get paid to wait. I'm green as well. I need one more trade to be done. I need 5.5 points. What's the trend on this chart? Type a Y in the chat if you want to get paid to wait. Most of us that have jobs don't understand what that is because if you're caught standing around, your boss is wondering what the hell you're doing. Or if you're the boss and you catch an employee standing around, what the hell are you doing? This is the game we get paid to wait. F1 Rev 1 chop, wide range chop, 15-minute wide chop, 100. So if we get down to, let's say, 17, we're going to see if the smaller time frames tell us something different. Let's say that we get to 60, 70. We're going to see if the smaller time frames tell us something different. If you diddle in the middle, your account get little. Elijah, we should get a hotkey for that on the second page. Okay, don't forget Valentine's special. Trading View Valentine's special. Guys, 80% off again, right? If you need that reload, do that now. Use that code right there. I don't see anything to trade. I'm going to be real honest. I see impulse action. That's not what you thought I was going to say, huh? No. I see impulse, reactionary, non-discretionary. Inaction seems like inaction. Okay, but I want to remind everyone of this. Okay, listen to me very carefully because we're going to go back to 7th grade. Here we go. ING at the end of a word makes the word a. Type it in. ING at the end of a word makes the word a. Type it in. ING at the end of a word makes the word a. Hello. ING at the end of a word makes a word a. So that makes it a what, Martin? A doing word, meaning it is a. Okay, so if you add ing to a word and you're, listen to me, and you're waiting, listen to me, hold on. This gets, Metallica's gonna have to wait a second here. This is important. If adding ing to a word makes the word a verb, and you're waiting in process, that is not in activity. Okay, I'm going to say that again. If your process is telling you to wait, waiting has an ing at the end of it. Therefore, it is a verb, so it is not in activity. It is called waiting in process. I hope that helps. Back to my Metallica because we're at the middle. Look, guys, just look at the chart. Where is the big yuck colored line going through, right? When your mom wears that shirt, what do you tell her? Ma, don't wear that shirt no more, right? Now, we're getting a sell signal on the 5. Am I going to take it? No. No, because the stop is like 30 points to start with, 28. And, again, we just talked about bell-shaped curve. And we just talked about, no, your mom's got that ugly shirt on. Delta's neutral. Sell makes sense better than buy. Big stops. So, no. Nope, nope, nope. Because you have a buy signal on the 2-minute. You have a sell signal on the 5-minute. And your 15-minute has a buy signal way above where we're at, and you're sweeping the leg, and you were paid to sweep the leg. Actually, you got stopped out because that was a massive wick to 68.10. Now, was that the sweep? That could be the sweep. That could be the sweep. Or it's to tell you what's to come. Oh, I don't have those answers. Waiting is the hardest part. The hardest part is waiting for you. I'll tell you what, if I get copyrighted on something like that, that'd be interesting because I've never heard a song like that. That terrible? Come on, guys. Happy Friday, everybody. That's kind of cool. Tape is speeding up upwards. And right back down. Burst. Never made. So what the all right, there's your 5-minute NQ. Lots of bars closed in 1 minute, 30 seconds. You're not getting a break. Listen, we're not getting a breakout on the delta. They're not aggressive. So we might get pain, right? But just be cautious that it could come back in, because the delta should break at the same time as price, right? Not right, but okay. Because then the aggressive buyer takes the offer. They pull the offer. They've removed liquidity.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Check your breathing. Check your breathing. Anywhere I roam. I'm watching 64s, fam. Yeah, I swear. You're breathing through your chest, don't take the trade. If you're breathing through your chest, don't take the trade. It's called a gut feeling for a reason. Wait. Wait. If it's not through your stomach, pause for at least 3 seconds. But I'll take my time anyway. Nick, look at my 15-minute chart. This is a full-blown. This would be a 200. A 20 SMA halt. Okay, but the I would say full-blown buy signal, but it's not, because the 200 is above us going down. Wherever I may roam, we have a buy signal on the 5-minute as the same time as the 15. We are below on 15 and above on the 5 now. Are we above on the 5 now? We are.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, that's it for me on trading live. That was all I needed right there, was 2 little scalps. I am done trading live. Let me open up an eval, folks. See how the 15-minute golden French fry said, hey, be watching for relative strength. Okay, so now the next thing that we're looking for is, did the rest of it start to do what I said? Look at your delta, okay? Check this out. Look at your delta. Boom, right there. All right, yes, perfect. Okay, now, good. So then the next thing you're looking for is continuation. Look at your smallest time frames. All right, so now here's how it was traded. All I did was I just took 2 scalps. Boom, 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 boom. In with the momentum. In with the momentum. No heat, none. 0 heat. In with the momentum. And I'm done. I am at target for the day. I need $20, and there's no way I'm risking 726 to make 20. So now let me open an eval, and let's get going. Hold on a second. And I'm showing you what account I'm trading. Like, there's no, guys, there's no hiding what I'm doing. I'll tell you when I'm in an eval. Okay, and then check this out. Here was the other one. My wife will kill me if she sees this. Babe, I hope you're not watching. Look at the perfect H. Look at this. You want to talk about a man bun that I don't have? Look at that, Tyson. Suck it. What size of what? Oh, just one contract per account. My target is just over $700 per account, and those show one. Verb, Tyson. He said, what was the answer to the question? Suck it, Tyson. I'll tell you when I go sim. I'll tell you when I go eval. Get used to it somehow. Soldier boy. All right, now, Eli, I'm going to add an eval, so you'll have to do your magic. Okay, so now, folks, look at your 15-minute golden French fry. Crushing it. Coming up on targets here. Here we go. This is what you wait for. That's why I was showing you the 15-minute chart the whole time. Look at this. I wish this would automatically draw it. Mr. Martin, can you make it automatically draw this? And then what we can do is we can make it delete when it goes through the stop. Yeah. Well, you have the code to it, so talk to Eli about, yep. You know what to do. Okay, 5-minute and 15-minute at the same time. Every one of you should have been long. If not, what does your coach say about it? You better be talking to your coach. Next week is full, so if you're thinking about getting a coaching call, I would look at the following week. We're booked next week, sorry. If Quentin took the Thursday, we're full. Yeah, doesn't that sound like a great idea? Let's just do the golden fry for right now, because it'll crowd the chart with incorrect stuff. Does that make sense? Good. Let me get an eval going. Great morning. Happy Friday. I'm done. Look at that bar. Look at that down bar. Uh-oh. Okay, here coming into support. Hell is here. I was born for dying.
Order filled. Order filled.
Lone, I clench my gun. Soldier boy. Use the code SAGEFT at checkout. Get the best deals on your favorite prop firms. Try it on every one of them. I just typed it in. I can't use mine, guys. It actually doesn't work. Now, if you're wondering, why does he get an eval every day? Because I'm going to pass it in one day. Look, I can pass evals in days, in 5 days. Come on. You blind man. Now, what I liked about that on the 5 minute, okay, you get a 5 minute blue. Okay, what I liked about that on the 5 minute was it started right from the VWAP and pushed the 200 into green, if we will say that. Okay, blue on my chart. I'm trying to have unassociative colors. If you're wondering why does this guy look like Miami Vice 1983, 1984? Yes, I'm trying to have some Miami Vice vibe. Okay, neon, things that have no association to plus or minus. Does that make sense?
Order filled.
Oh, it does flatten everything. I like that. You push it twice. Ooh, good, good, good. Okay. Eli, do we have to manually add the account? Properties? Yeah. No. Where? Oh. So another one. Copy that. Copy that. Okay. 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 Reset high water mark. Add 30. Copy. X or Y? Okay, add 30 for the second. Okay, so X or Y? I know I'm ignorant with this. Thank you. I knew I was guessing X. Hey. I had a drawdown of 1 tick. Yes, sir, I got it. Thank you. And then I select the account when it's back on. That's sick. What, we'll put all these together eventually, right? It'll all just be the same thing. That's sick. Yeah, let's merge all that together. That's sick. Great job, boys. All right, I'm in the eval. I'm in the Apex 100,000 eval. Let's rip it. I swear, this I swear, this I swear. This I swear. The sun may never come. And the sizing is an issue. It's a big issue. Oh, I see, because it's got a thing on the, so. I see. Oh, do I just make the font smaller? No. No, not at all, brother. I'm trying to see if the font gets smaller. The sizing is really bad. So I'm trying to make it to where I can put it at the top of my DOMs. I got it figured out, though. I'm just going to make these DOMs bigger. All right, I got it. It's going to take up a lot of room when there's more accounts, though. All right, here we go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
It's right on the VWAP, so I'm light. I'm in my eval. Looking to sweep the leg. Or get swept. I just have 3 contracts in this small trade here.
Order
Popped
canceled.
out on that one in the eval. Right on VWAP. That was backwards. So I just took it light. Took it light.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, there's some flat tires above us that gotta get filled. There's some flat tires above us that gotta get filled.
Target filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Fill them. Get up there and fill them. Come on. Get through 50. Do it. Captain and Coke. Do it. I'm in the eval. PA is shut down. Crushed. Killed it. It's dead. Too much money made.
Target filled.
Bam. There's another target. Let's roll. $85's got a large offer. Remember, 60 was the guy that owns it and sold it. Big. Now, I want to be clear. I was risking $3,000 on this trade, so I better make something like $3,000 on this trade. There we go. 60 quarters, 60 quarters, 60 quarters, 60 quarters.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, they moved it.
Target filled.
Why do they got to move the goalposts like that? And then start taking them off. Wait. Ho. Hold up.
Order submitted.
Hold up. You went without a brother. No. No. Oh, golden French fry? Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't mind.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Come on, draw down. Don't kill me.
Order filled.
All right, here we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here we
Order
go.
submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, we're already taking them
Order
off. Well,
canceled.
what do you know?
Order canceled.
Oh, I can't get the stops up fast enough. Stop to break even +1 on the leg sweep, 59 quarts. Oh. Do it. That's not the right stop. That's the right stop. Do it, Captain and Coke. Captain and Coke. Do it. Got to get through 50, though. Got to get through this huge muck mess. 5 minute and 2 minute are long. But for the 5 minute to really be a good long, it needs to turn blue. The 200 simple needs to turn blue. Okay, now, if you're going, well, this isn't in the KISS chart. This isn't in the game plan. Just think of the KISS chart, 20 and 200, okay? And with the 20 and 200, I want you to add the VWAP, okay? And I want you to use the 5 minute and the 15 minute chart as well as the 2, okay? Come on. Let's see, I have 2 of them that should be there.
Order canceled.
All right, 15 minutes says long again. You got it.
Order submitted.
Big stops, 36-point stops. Dreams of wars, dreams of liars, dreams of dragons, fire, and those things that will bite later. Okay, watch your meridian. Watch your meridian around 7 deuces, 7 deuces. Watch your meridian, 7 deuces. First target is 72 quart. First target, 72 quart. And then all the way up into the 78s. All right, here we go. Either the account passes or it fails because the drawdown, the trailing drawdown, is almost at peak. Well, there's 42 is the add point on the 15 minute. If it adds at 60. $78.
Order filled.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. There's a scare at 70.
Order filled.
Add. Add. 78s. 5-minute one side external above us. Okay, median 78, median 78. If it fails around 75, it's cracked.
Order filled.
This is insanity. '80s. Add orders around 64. Here we go. Reaction, return to not reaction. Whipping the baton away. All stops up. Canceling 60. All stops up. Break even. Let's go. I got 8 strong. I got 8 strong. One tick, Rick. One tick, Rick.
Target filled.
7 left. 7 left. Battery is found in me. Big target at 78. Big target at 78. Let's get it. Let's get it. There's no way. 90 is your 15-minute golden French fry. I should just leave this up here so you guys don't get squirmy. Here's the deal. I don't even need to get, I only need $1,300 more. So I only need, what, 3 or 4 more points? Battery is found in May. Come on. Target before stop. Bam, 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 bam. Come on. Come on. They know we're up there. They know we're up there. $80.50 is your 1R from Pink. 2-minute Pink. 2-minute Pink. Martin, are you just chewing your freaking hat right now, Martin? Martin, are you chewing your hat? Yes, Elijah, yes. I fully understand it is not easy. Never comes crushing. Powerhouse of anarchy. Here we go. Here we go. Watch it smack 78 and either go straight 80s or right back down to 73. Watch, 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 watch. If it prints it. This is a tough area. Anything between 71 and 75 is rock. Delta is nooch. Battery. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, one out, one out. Damn. Easy there. Sellers, easy. See, I don't want to take that drawdown and get it clipped again, right? I've learned my lesson.
Stop filled.
Wow, it's going to do it again anyway. Wow. Wow, Elijah, did you see that? If I didn't do that, it would have just killed it. Wow, that is trash. I hate that it does that. Yes, yes, yes. I get it. I see it. Yep, I'm watching it.
Order
Wow. There goes. All right, what we'll do is we'll turn the stream on over to the X side. I am mucho green in the live account, and that down tick smoked the Apex account into a profit of losing the account into the profit of $2,380. That account is blown. I'll try again on Monday. PA looking good. Another total target hit. We'll move the stream over into X. See you guys.